Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be organizing and cleaning my craft room, and I also will be setting up a gift wrapping station for the upcoming holidays. I typically don't do this, but I thought this year would be a fun thing to have, especially it will keep me in check of all the things I have for wrapping and I still need to buy. So let's get started.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we.
As you can see, the room was quite a bit of mess. I have been crafting like a mad woman and also went out and got some more supplies as well as some thrifting supplies. So there needed to be a lot of stuff cleaned up, a lot of garbage taken out, and a lot of stuff organized. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja, and this is my home channel where I will motivate you to clean, organize, and decorate your home. I also have two other channels, a DIY as well as a cooking channel, where they're pretty self-explanatory. So I do create a lot of seasonal DIYs, so if that's something that interests you, please head on over to the link in the description box, and my cooking channel will be linked down below as well. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I do any type of crafting, I just throw stuff all over the floor. I also run a home daycare, and then I brought all the stuff from upstairs from it because this was the weekend, so it was just put there in the middle of the floor, so I had to sort that out. I also need to put away some of the scraps because I am just about finished with the Christmas DIYs, so I want to create a bin where I'm going to put all of my leftover supplies for next year or for Christmas in July. That way when the time comes, I can just open up a bin and see all the things that I have left over from this year and go from there. This little caddy that I had added stuff to, I DIY'd that a while back. I was going to use it for outdoor utensils whenever we're entertaining, but I didn't find I was using it this year much. Well, I didn't really do much of entertaining this year, so I thought it will get much more use here than for outside, and then if I need another one, I can always make another one. Then over here is my little office desk where I keep my calendars, all of my phones, and all of my pens and things like that. I do love to use planners, and I have a lot of planner supplies, so that's all kept here. Now that I had this side table all cleared, I refinished the side table a while back, but I didn't have anywhere to put it. It will be going into a basement when I get it all organized onto the other side. But that's where I'm going to set up my little wrapping station. It is right in front of my shelf, but the bottom two shelves I won't be using as much, and I can always move it if I need to, but the top two is what I use the most. I also want to mention that I'm using this Shark Stick vacuum, and I do not like it at all. it's constantly getting clogged with just simple things like hair, and it just does not, the suction is just not there. So here are some of the items that I already have. I picked up these at Dollar Tree and at a different dollar store. I've got some tape, I've got some wine bags, and some Christmas cards, and I also picked up tons of gift card holders because I do have a feeling I'm going to be giving out a lot of gift cards this season. But as far as gift bags go, I've learned something. I either get a ton of wine and I have all these wine gift bags, or I know a lot of people that drink a lot of wine. It's one or the other, because I have tons of wine or bottle bags to give out. Now, I don't necessarily only have to put the wine in there. There can be other bottle-like items that go in there. I didn't go out to buy supplies for this, like baskets and things, to store all this stuff in. I pretty much just used whatever I had at home and whatever worked. So as you can see, I used a planter, rectangular planter box for my wrapping paper, and then I have several wicker baskets and some wrought iron basket that I'm using. Just like I said, I just went all around the house and figured out what I needed, what I had, what would work.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket.
So one thing that I don't have is bows, and I'm not an overly huge fan of those shiny bows, but I think I might have to run out and pick some up. But I did put down some of the ribbon that I have, Christmas ribbon, just in case if I want to use any of that. I have some burlap style ribbon, some red truck ribbon, and I don't know what else, maybe some goldish ribbon. So maybe I'll go and pick up a little bit more of ribbon, or I'll just pick up some different bows. I haven't come across ones that I love, but you never know, I might find the ones that are perfect.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance.
So here is my room, somewhat perfect. All of my extra crafting supplies that I'm still working through are down there. I should be just about done with that, so that will go away. But my table is nice and clean for the upcoming week. I have my big calendar here that I made, and then I have my cork board with all my upcoming projects, my paint, my glue guns. Everything's here that I need to use a regular basis. My desk is nice and clean, which is really, really good step. Good thing, because I'm going to be doing some planning later on today. So here is my basket of gift bags. So I have tons of larger gift bags, as you can see, tons of wine bags. I will need to pick up a couple more gift boxes and some small gift bags. I put my rotary cutter and my scissors and tape in this little container. Over here I have tins for cookies, because I'll give out Christmas baking quite a bit. All of my cart supplies are here, and then my wrapping paper is there. I picked up this one last year at Dollarama, so I have some of that left over as well, and then all of my tins for gift cards. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future videos. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.